Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now this is a new phone that just was released in South Africa not more than a week, and I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions of the actual device. Now this phone has been out actually maybe let's say two to 3 weeks now, and I've actually been avoiding watching all those reviews that have been booming on my YouTube subscriber box. But yeah, in this video I'm just gonna be opening out this box. As you guys can see, actually this box has already been opened, and shout out to DK for actually hooking me up with this device for me to review. But yeah, let's actually jump inside and see how this phone actually looks. Actually, I've been with this phone, specifically this one, for maybe 3 hours now, and I tried not to peek. I did peek once just to see what's inside, but let me stop actually mumbling and actually see what's inside the box and how this device looks like. Now this version that I have here is the second most expensive that you can actually buy from the new devices that Apple announced. Now opening the box and seeing what's inside. Now this is one of the new colors. The previous iPhone actually didn't come in this colorway, and looking closely, I don't know how I feel. I think I actually like this color, and I actually like the frosted glass design that Apple went with this time. Yeah, so the back is frosted glass, as you guys can see, and right here is kind of a glossy glass. So right here is glossy and right here is frosted. Now one thing that I actually noticed and I actually heard other people speaking about, that was the few videos that I actually watched. On the iPhone 11, this is the iPhone 11 Pro. On the iPhone 11, this actually switches. You'd get the glossy back and you get the frosted camera bump here, and that device obviously comes with 2 lenses. This one comes with 1 lens. Now looking at the front, another thing that actually changed, as you guys can see, it doesn't come with any writings anymore. Like, it's clear, and actually the Apple sign also has come down here, has moved down. It used to be previously somewhere here. I'm actually gonna try and make a comparison video with the iPhone 10R, which is the device that I currently have in hand. Now let me just remove the... Alright, now this one only comes with the front paper, plastic, what's or not. The previous ones would actually go all the way from front to back, and you would be able to actually... Wow, this thing is beautiful. I must say, this thing is beautiful. Now this is the 500, this is 256 gig version. Yeah, 256 gig version. Now let's just see what else you will get on the box. Now you have obviously the manual with the Apple sticker. We actually all know what goes on in here. We don't have to go inside here. You have the earpods. This is not AirPods, these are the earpods, the ones still with the cable, and you have your lightning cable to USB-C this time, and you also have the 18-watt power brick for you to be able to fast charge your devices. Unlike the iPhone 11, I know that one will come with the normal small, I'm not sure if that's a 5 watts power brick, but yeah, on this one you're gonna get the one that supports USB-C, and if you actually own one of the new MacBook Pros, you're not gonna have to use an adapter just to charge your device, or if you want to connect it to iTunes for you to transfer files. But who actually has connected to iTunes? Let me know down in the comments, and make sure you click that like button before you get to the comments. Who of you actually has used, like lately have used iTunes to sync stuff to your phone, or even just to backup? I normally use iCloud these days. Like, I don't even have to connect my phone to my computer unless I'm actually just charging it. Now this is what you get on the box. Let's just read also what information we have here. So it's a 256 gig. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green. This is one of the new colors, and made in California, what's or not, and that's all you get. there. Now to the iPhone itself. Now this guy comes with iOS 13. As you guys can see, this is the iOS 13 that comes with dark mode. I'm gonna make a quick video on that for you guys to actually watch. Make sure you actually stay tuned, because I'm going to be releasing this video. I'm not gonna give it much time. I'm maybe gonna release 2 in a day or following each other. I'm not gonna leave the gap that I normally leave, maybe a week or a few days. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Now overall, I'm starting to like already this color. And one other thing that actually people had problem with is that triple lens setup that's here in the back. It actually doesn't bother me that much now looking at it. Obviously in pictures it's something else, but now looking at it, it's really not that big of a deal. And obviously for the functionality that you're actually getting with this triple lens setup, I think it's something that needed to be done. You still have the notch up there. Obviously this guy uses the Face ID to unlock. You don't have Touch ID yet, but there are predictions that the new devices are going to be coming, that maybe the 2020 iPhone is going to be coming with an in-display fingerprint. We're just going to have to see that. I can see also the power button. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks a little bit bigger, but maybe just me. This is the SIM tray over here, and obviously you have your lightning port here, you have your speaker grill, and you have your microphone grill over there. And here, I remember there were also predictions that the mute toggle was going to be moved from switching from side to side to up and down. I keep looking at the TV there where I'm using to monitor myself, but I need to focus on you guys here. So yeah, there were predictions that were going to change, but as you guys can see, it didn't really change. It still remains the same. And you also have the volume up and down button. So first impressions, I like the device and I would love to try it for a while. And as you can see, you still have the CE sign there, and I think that's the responsible recycling sign. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong again. You can always do down in the description. Now, this is gonna be it for this quick video. This was just an impressions video. My impression is I like the device, although it's a bit expensive. It's actually a really good device. Camera setup, not a bother. Nothing much has changed apart from the back, the new color, the triple lens setup, and now that you also get the USB-C lightning cable on the box with the 18 watts power brick. Apart from that, you will actually find more changes on the inside. So stay tuned for my next video where I actually go a little bit deep down on this device itself, and maybe I'll also test it out and stuff like that. But let me know down in the comments what actually you guys want to see me do, which videos you want to see me do on this device. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want me to make more videos, and actually so that other people can stumble across my videos. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.